Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to be learning about living and non-living things. So do you guys know what the difference is between living and non-living things? Those are some great ideas. So do you know what living things need to survive, or what you need to survive? That's right, you do need food to survive. That's our first thing. What else do we need to survive? Water, air, and shelter. Those are the things that we need to survive. So if something is living, they will need these things to survive. And if they're non-living, they will not need food, water, air, or shelter. So I'm going to ask you a few things that we know if they're living or non-living. So the first one is, are you living? Is your pets living? And what about your pencil? Good job. Okay. Now we are going to be looking at some different pictures that I have cut out and see if these objects are living or non-living things. So the first one that we have is a tree. And do we know, while you're looking at all these pictures, I want you to think about if they're living or non-living. A house, a water bottle, a motorcycle, a mountain, a person, a dog, a shoe, a fox, and a cat. So I have set up a hula hoop split down the middle with living and non-living. So one at a time, I'm going to call you up. You're going to pick an object from the pile and go place it where you think it belongs, living or non-living. So I'll let everyone go do that. Okay, so we did an awesome job placing all of our pictures in their spots on the hula hoop on their side, living or non-living. Now let's talk about those pictures that we just put down and remember what makes something living or non-living. So the first object on the living side, or the objects we have on the living side, we have a cat, a dog, a person, a tree, and a fox. So those objects or things, they all need water, food, shelter, air, and they're all things that can grow and survive. On the non-living side, we have a house, a water bottle, a mountain, a motorcycle, and a shoe. And those things, they don't grow and they don't need water or food to grow and survive. So those are non-living things. So we remember that those living things, that's what they have in common, that they grow, survive, and they need things in order to grow, like food and water. And that all the non-living things have that in common, that they do not need those things. So while you guys are on a walk with your family, riding in the car, you can look outside or all around you and find things that are living or non-living. So if you're on a walk, you could see birds, trees, dogs, people, any of those things. Look for those living things. And when you're at home, you could look for lots of non-living things like your bed is non-living, your TV, non-living, things like that. So remember that you can find living and non-living things all around you.